Cutting up a whole chicken is all about knowing where the joints are and where the fat lines are. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. And once you have that skill, cutting up a bird becomes second nature and no longer intimidating. You will need a cutting board, a boning knife, a steel, chicken scissors, and a scrap bowl. Also, have some paper towels and a sanitary bucket nearby to keep your area clean. And guess what? Mastering this skill will save you money because buying a whole chicken at the grocery store is less expensive than a pre-cut package. This Purdue chicken was under $4.50. En commencer. I like to take the wings off first. To do that, flip the bird on its breast. Pull the wing and look for the armpit. Feel the joint and make your cut. Cutting slightly towards you and away from the breast. Now, I personally cut the wings in two for presentation, and I use the tip for chicken stock, so they're gonna go right in my stock pot. And then we'll just repeat that on the other side. Next, flip the chicken on its back and let's take off the legs. There's a visible fat line in between the white and dark meat right here. Cut on that fat line. We're just cutting the skin. Notice I didn't cut any meat, just the skin. Reach under the thighs and pop the joints out. This is the ball joint at the top of the thigh. Flip the chicken over. There's a line between the white and dark meat on the back, and we're just going to follow that line. Let's repeat that on the other side as well. To break the thigh from the leg, follow the fat line. Make your cut on the drum side of the fat line. To separate the backbone from the breast, switch to your kitchen scissors. Again, follow the fat line. I'm going to cut right along the line and through the ribs, then break it off. The backbone will go in my stock pot. To separate the breast in two, make a tiny cut right here. Then flip the breast over, and with both hands, push down and crack the bone.